Hi everybody, this is Macheski here with your video tutorial for the week of May 25th. It's hard to believe that we are already entering the last week of May. Oh my goodness. All right, so let's dive in. So as you can see for your math assignments for the weekly calendar this week, we have another 4-day week planned for you. So this block has been removed and your lessons have been shifted and shortened. So you'll still have 3 learning activities for math, but I tried to pare down the assignment as much as I could to make it a little bit shorter for you to complete. So this week we are going to be starting work on chapter 7. So we're going to spend the week focusing on what we felt was the really important information that you needed to understand out of chapter 7, and that was focusing on understanding how to use a line plot, what a line plot is, how do we read a line plot, and what we can do with the data from a line plot. So that's what all 3 of these modules are focused on, and that will be the focus for me during my math lesson on Monday, as well as on Wednesday during the help session. All right, so chapter 7 is actually called Making and Interpreting Line Plots. That's the title of our lesson this week. And our learning objectives are the same for all 3 of our math Nearpod modules. Those learning objectives are: I can make and interpret line plots with fractional data, and I can use fractions and their operations to solve problems using data. So most of the line plots that you're going to see in these lessons will involve fractions. You'll be adding, you'll be multiplying, and you'll be dividing the fractions in order to interpret the data more. I encourage you to use a calculator during this lesson. The focus for chapter 7 is not on your understanding of working with the fractions, it's on your understanding of working with the data. So a calculator is an appropriate tool to use for that. Okay. Down below in the notes section, you'll see here I've provided the link for our Monday math Zoom lesson. It will be 2:30 if you would like to join and review line plots with me. And then Wednesday, I will be available at 2:30 for a help session for anyone who would like to come if they're having difficulty with the assignments for the week. Down below in the optional extras section for Prodigy, if you haven't tried it out yet, here's the class code to join, and I will be adding an activity into the game that involves line plots for you to use. I encourage you to continue to try to use Khan Academy. They have tutorial videos and additional practice, as well as Study Island to increase your understanding of these math topics as we conclude your 5th grade year in math. All right, so over here, just one last reminder that it is a 4-day week to accommodate the Memorial Day holiday. So the expectation is that you can start working on these assignments whenever you would like, but the expectation is for you to begin day 1 on Tuesday, with the goal being to end your assignments on day 4, which would be Friday of this week, is the goal to have all of your learning activities completed. At the same time, I will plan to post my assignments for the following week on Friday at 3:30. At any time during the week, if you are getting frustrated, or if you have a question, or if you need help or need to talk to me, please reach out through the Google Hangout app, and I will be happy to answer any of your math-related questions. Okay? Thank you, everybody, for all of your hard work, all of your patience, and all of your participation in math. And I look forward to another great week. Thanks.